Good morning all are. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Edrao, Department of Information Technology. On today's 29th lecture on course, that is subject data structure using C. Here vision mission statement of our department. Department vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission statement, in their three statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. To build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. To imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Here syllabus for our course, there are 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Course outcomes: after the completion of unit number 3, which COV achieve implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. This is syllabus of unit number 3, stacks and queue. And under that, in a previous lecture we start the point applications of stack. In under fifth application is conversion of infix expression to prefix expression. Is also one application of stack, and also one type means point are there. On that point we asked your exam as a question, conversion of infix to prefix expression. Example question asked to explain through example diagrammatically on that stack. Okay, so it is an important point. The conversion of infix expression to prefix expression is similar to the conversion of infix to postfix expression. In a previous lecture we learned how to convert the infix to postfix expression. So in that said as the conversion of infix to prefix also similar to that conversion of infix to postfix. The only difference is that the expression in infix notation is scanned in the reverse order, that is from right to left. Therefore, means what? In that said that what is the difference between in these two types? Difference is that in a conversion of infix to postfix, how we scan the expression from left to right, but in a conversion of infix to prefix, in that how will be possible? How to be scan the character from right to left, means in a reverse order. It is only difference in that. Okay. Therefore the stack in this case store the operators and the closing means right parenthesis. In that reverse order scan the characters means right to left. So in that stack also store the operators and their closing parenthesis. Algorithm is important, means in through algorithm you clear that how will be possible, means how we solve the examples on converting infix to prefix. First, scan the infix string from right to left. Initialize the empty stack. After that, repeat 4 to 8 steps till all the characters are scanned. If the scan character is operand, then it is to be added in a prefix string. After that, if the scan character is right parenthesis, then push into the stack. It is algorithm is oppositely to converting infix to postfix. Okay. After sixth step is that if the scan character is left parenthesis, then repeatedly pop from the stack and add to the prefix string each operator until corresponding left parenthesis is encountered. Okay, means what? When we scan the operand, then directly add to the prefix. When right character parenthesis is scanned, that time you push onto the stack, means start your converting. When scan character is left parenthesis, means up to that right to left parenthesis all operators and operators are popped on that stack and add in a prefix string. Okay. After that, if the scanned character is operator, means when we scan, means when we input the character is operator, that time If top stack has higher precedence over the scanned character, then what we do? Then pop the stack. Clear that? Means in the stack, when top of that stack is higher precedence than which character or operators are scanned, that time we pop that stack. Okay, for example, in a stack, multiplication sign or multiplication operator is there and you input the plus sign. Okay, plus operator. Multiplications operator is higher precedence as compared to plus operator. That time pop that multiplication operator. Okay, and when not a higher precedence, means for example in a stack plus addition operators are there and you input the minus. Okay, both precedence are same. That time not the pop that plus operator, minus operator also push on that stack. That else statement is there. Else push the scan character to stack. Clear? Repeat this step until your stack is not empty and top stack has precedence over the character. Okay, means this step is repeat when we to a stack is not empty. If stack is not empty, add top stack to prefix string. Okay, means up to a stack is empty, the one by one character will be that added on that prefix string and pop the stack. Here means your stack is not empty, means any operand or operator are present on that stack, so that add to the add the top stack to the prefix string and also pop the stack. Repeat this process long as stack is not empty. Repeat this process up to your stack is empty and read the string in reverse. These are the algorithm for converting infix to prefix. After that, this is the example converting infix expression. This is the your infix expression. What is the infix expression? In a left parenthesis, after that a plus b into c minus d, close right parenthesis, division, opening parenthesis, e into f, closing parenthesis, is converted into prefix expression using stack. These are the input characters, this is stack, these are the prefix string, and these are the operations. Okay, first of all, what is the algorithm is that read from right to left. Okay, right in a closing parenthesis, right parenthesis, push onto the stack. After that, f is the operand, so it is add in a, it is not a postfix string, in that said as the prefix string. After that, multiplication is the operator, so push onto the stack. After that, e is the operand, so it is add in a prefix string. In that word, not a postfix, not in the word is used prefix. After that, your left parenthesis, then stack, pop that operator. Okay, multiplication is sign there or multiplication operator is there, that are pop onto the your prefix string. After that, division is the operator, so push onto the stack. After that, right parenthesis, so this is the push onto the stack. In that write on that push stack, because it is the reverse string, means starting with right parenthesis through. So after that, d is the operand. Okay, in that algorithm said as the when operand is coming, that are stored in the string, and when operator is coming, that stored in a stack. Okay, this rule is follow, and when this operator is higher precedence that stack, that time pop it. Okay, this conditions is used. D is the operand, so is add in a prefix string. After that, minus, it is the push onto the stack. After that, c is the operand, so that add in the prefix string. Okay, after that, multiplication sign is on the stack. After that, b is the operand, so it is the add in a prefix string. Plus operator is the operator, so add in a stack. After a is the operand, so it is add in a string, in a prefix string. After that, left parenthesis is reach, so all the pop, means after that plus minus is pop it in a prefix string. After that your string is closed, so last operator which are remaining, division, are pop onto that prefix string. Okay, after that final prefix string is reverse of that is the reverse the string, that is this string is reverse in this way. Okay, example 2, another example is that consider the conversion of this string infix expression to postfix. Okay, same elements, right to left, f, after that division, f is a put expression. Okay, this is the stack status, right parenthesis, prefix expression, f, division is the operator. Okay, in a stack, d is the operand, so in prefix expression, after multiplication is the push into the stack, right parenthesis. Okay, is a right parenthesis is the push into the stack. After c is the operand, so it is a add in a prefix expression. After that plus it is the operator, so it is push into the stack. b is the operand, so it is the add in a prefix expression, or also said as the push in a prefix expression. After that left parenthesis, so pop the which operator, plus pop the plus and put the expression and pop, means left parenthesis when come and right parenthesis in between plus operators are there, and so these are the pop. After that minus, okay, minus operators are there, one by one are pop, means that plus this is the complete. After that multiplication, and after that division. Next a is the minus is the operator, so it is add in a stack. After that a is the operand, so it is a push in a prefix string. After that left parenthesis is reach input, so pop that minus operator and put the expression. Okay, and after that reverse the resultant string. Okay, minus, and it is the in a reverse string, minus a division, multiplication, plus b c d f. Clear that? In that right parenthesis is continuously coming. Okay, when left parenthesis is reached, that time your rule is when left parenthesis is inputted, that time pop the element. So in that element that clear, right, element will be pop, means operand and operators will be pop in a prefix expression. So plus is will be popped in prefix expression. After that multiplication, and after that division. Clear that? Next point is the evaluation of prefix expression. In a previous point we learned that conversion of infix to prefix. In that evaluation means that expression will be evaluated, means answer will be calculated, means calculation of that values on that prefix expression. With prefix notation we can evaluate each expression in a single scan of the expression. The stack can be conveniently used for the evaluation of prefix expression. It is the same as the postfix expression. Okay. To evaluate the prefix expression, first convert in a prefix expression to given in a infix expression. Means first of all, when we evaluate the expression, for example, these are in a infix expression, then we convert in prefix notation. Otherwise, is otherwise in a prefix notation, then automatically that read the expression from right to left, or automatically firstly in a prefix expression, then we evaluate the expression, read the expression from right to left. After that each encountered element in examined if the element is an operand. Okay, if the element is an operand, then the element is pushed onto the stack. If the element is operator, then the two operands are popped from that stack and the desired operation is done. Same is in the postfix like, means when any operand will be, element will be inputted or read, that time that are stored in a stack, and when operator will be entered, that time two operands are popped on that stack, and which operations are performed, which operators are there, that operations are done on that two operands, and resultant value or element are stored on that stack. These are the intermediate result. The result of that operations is again pushed onto the stack. This process is repeated till end of the expression is encountered. The final result is popped from that stack. Consider following prefix expressions with values. Okay, says these are the expression and their value. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 2, 5 is equal to D. Then putting the value expression is like. Okay, reverse the expression and follow the above mentioned steps. First of all, symbol scan. Okay, we reverse the right to left 5. After that 5 is the operand, so stored in a stack. 2. After that 3. After that 4. Okay, after that plus. Okay, in that said that when operand is inputted, then stored in a stack, and when operator is inputted, that time last two operands will be popped and that operation is performed. Last two, which are the 4 and 3, which operation? Plus 4 and 3, 7. So in that answer will be stored in the 7. Popped two elements and perform plus operation and pushed intermediate result in a stack. Clear that? After that, next operator which are multiplication. Okay, last two operand which are 7 and 2. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 14 is the intermediate result. After that minus. Okay, so minus operator will be performed in a 5 minus 14. Okay, so result is the minus 9, is the intermediate result. Then another one example is that, take another example, evaluate the prefix expression in that set. These are your expression, these are the values. Okay, starting from right to left, when we values are inserted in the expression becomes this like. Okay, in that first step first step is to open the first element is operand D, push D into the stack. After the second step, what is the second step? Second element also C. Okay, in this expression, so this is pushed into the stack. Third step, the third element is plus operator, is an operator, so pop those two elements from that stack, that is C and D. Okay, after the C is popped, after that D is pop, and evaluate the expression. Evaluating D's value is 4, 5, C's value is 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, so push that result, that is 9, into the stack. Next step, next element is B is operand, so push into the stack. After that, next is the multiplication is operator. Multiplication is operator, pop to the two operands from that stack, that is B and 9. Okay, B will be popped, after that 9 will be popped. Evaluating values is 9, B means 3, 9 3s are 27, so 27 will be pushed onto that stack. Next A is the operand, so into push into the stack. After that, next is the plus operator, pop that last two elements and evaluate. How will be evaluating 27 plus A value is 2, 7 plus 2, 29. Okay, so end of the expression, thus the result is 29. Clear that? In that, how will be evaluating the prefix expression is same as the postfix. In postfix is we evaluating the left to right, but in a prefix right to left. This only for difference in that on that two's convergence. Infix to postfix and infix to prefix. Clear that? Summary on that today's lecture: applications of stack in under which points are clear? Conversion of infix to conversion of infix to prefix expression and evaluation of prefix expressions. To continue the assignment number 3, questions 23rd question in that conversion infix to prefix. After that in a 24 evaluating the prefix expression. After that in a 55 question convert the infix expression to prefix expression. Okay, in this shown by the diagrammatically show in a diagrammatic this like. Okay, this also table through you show it. Okay, here stop on today's lecture. In that lecture any points is arise, then any doubt is arise, then contact with me. Okay, thank you.